If you think growing apples means big old trees that need ladders and take a long time to grow, then you're missing an important opportunity. Most apples sold in markets today are grown using a technique called the spindle method, where lots of little trees are planted close together in a much more manageable arrangement than the old standard system. Yet most gardeners and even arborists know little about it. For years I've taught and used Espalier techniques in school and community gardens, yet I wish I'd known about the spindle method earlier, since it's so much quicker and easier. That's why I've written a book for you, Apple Gardening. Apple gardening is all about the little tree with big benefits. You'll discover how the spindle technique revolutionized the orchard and will ignite your next gardening passion. Now you can experience all the benefits of the spindle technique in your garden. For example, you can easily grow a dozen heirloom and specialty apple varieties in the same space that one large old tree used to require. Apple gardening has over 85 photos detailing how the spindle technique works. Scan the QR code to purchase your copy with a limited time discount off the retail price, and grow smart by growing small.